Hey guys, it's Tom here, and I'm on my way back to the office from a morning meeting that I had. I'm in the car, and I've just been listening to one of my favorite podcasts, and it got me wondering, how do you spend your time on your commute? Are you listening to the radio and listening to music, which is lots of fun, but are you also improving yourself and learning some sales skills? Are you learning some marketing skills, some customer service skills? How are you spending your time on your drive to the office? One of my favorite things is to listen to podcasts. Some feedback that we get from some of our customers is they love checking out our videos on SOCO Academy, our online sales training program. So what are you doing to better yourself? Are you listening to podcasts? Are you reading books? Are you going to workshops? We got a workshop coming up on 15th November. Have you signed up for a workshop lately? What are you doing to improve yourself and to make the best use of your time? So the next time you're sitting in a car, and maybe you're wondering, okay, I don't have time for this, I'm so busy. But you're stuck in traffic anyway, so why not make the best of it? Instead of listening to your favorite pop songs, why don't you listen to a really cool podcast on sales, marketing, customer experience, branding, digital media? Whatever you need to learn, you can learn it. So make the best use of your time. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Bye.